We'll see. Now let us start. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascend. Right. My dear, it is coming clear. No, now. Right. Arrange the following in the ascending order. Wait. Arrange the following in the ascending order. 7.7, 7.7, 0.07. Arrange the following in the ascending order. 0.07, 0.71 minute. Then 0.007, 0.007, and last it is 7.77. Decimal. This is from decimal. Today we are doing the arrangement. Today we are doing the revision. Today we are doing the revision from fraction. No, 7.77. This is first question. You write the topic revision to fraction and decimals. In topic you will write down revision to decimals and fractions. Now it is clear, right? 7.7, 0.07, 0.7, 0.007, 7.77. We have to revision. We have to arrange them in the ascending order. First I will write down the question. Decimal, we are doing decimal and fractions. Then simplify. 8:5/6. This is mixed fraction. 8:5/6 minus 3:3/8 plus 2:7/12. This is mixed fraction. We have to simplify. Then third question. Right. Third question. 1 minute. Now it is clear, right? Yes. First question, arrange the following in ascending order. 7.7, 0.07, 0.7, 0.007, 7.77. Arrange them in the ascending order. Then second is simplify. 8:5/6 mixed fraction minus 3:3/8 plus 2:7/12. Then three questions are there. No, not home. Arey, my dear, this is not homework. Yes. Yes. We'll see. No, start solving this. Now let us write. चलो ठीक है. Arrange the following in ascending order. 7.7, 0.07, 0.7, 0.007, 7.7. Wait, no, that I will tell you. 35/4 plus 13/6 minus minus 19, wait no, 8 is to 5 upon 6, 8 is to 5 upon 6 plus minus 10 upon 3, minus 10 upon 3. These two we have to simplify and this we have to arrange them in the ascending order. So 3 questions we will revise. Yes, now start solving first. How we solve this? One by one we'll solve these 3 questions. Now solution of first. Yes, wait. See, those who are joining late, it is my humble request. It is my humble request to them. Please join at the right time. Otherwise, next time I will not admit. Yes, because right now 3-4 students I have enrolled. Arrange the following in the ascending order. So first it is 7.7, comma 0.07, 0.07, 0.7. It is clear, right? 0.7, 0.007. We are solving this. Then 7.77. 7.77. Now we want to arrange them in the ascending order. It is a question, no? We are solving this. Now to arrange the given. No, you have to write the question. How? See, to arrange the given decimal into ascending order or descending order, first I have to convert them into like decimals. Like decimals means after point the number of digits should be same. So here after point 1 digit, after point 2 digit, after point 1 digit, after point 3 digit, after point 2 digit. So our first job is, yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone now. Mute the microphone, all of you. Underline. Now first we convert them into like decimals. It is given clear very much. First we arrange them in the like decimals. First we arrange them into like decimals. Yes, mute the microphone. Who is not listening? Mute the microphone. 7.7 after point 1 digit, after point 2 digit, after point 1 digit, after point 3 digit, after point 2 digit. So we want 3 digit after point. After point maximum number of digit is 3. So this 7.7 we write 7.700. 700. Then 0.07 we write 0.7. No, my dear. First I am converting them into like decimals. Then 0.7 I will write 0.700. Then 0.007 will yes. Then 7.7 I will write 7.770. Yes. Now we have to write down them in the ascending order. So we write ascending order is. Mute the microphone. Ascending order is. First you have to compare the digit from left. Compare the digit from left. So before decimal it is 7. It is 7. It is 0. So first I have to select the smaller number. 0, 0, 7. So ascending order means smaller to bigger. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So 7, 7 is bigger. So I will focus on these 3. Then 0. Then after point 0, after point 7, after point 0. So I will focus on these 2. Mute the microphone. Then after minus 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 is there, minus, this is minus. Now 0.070, then 0.007, it is 7, it is 0. So solve this. 0. Wait, mute microphone. 0.007, wait, less than 0.070. This is smaller, then this is bigger. Then after these two we have covered. So I will put cross. These two I have covered. Now I will focus on the remaining. Then 0.700 is the 0.700 is the bigger. Then this is less than 7.700. 7.700, 7.7, it is 7. Then next it is 0, it is 7. So this is smaller. 7.700 is smaller. So 7.700 is less than 7.770. Yes. We have to convert them into like decimal first. Yes. And start comparing the digit from left. From left side we start comparing the digit. No. You have to write down in this way only. Then first we compare the digit from left. 70007. So these three are smaller. Then among these three we find the smaller number. 070. So this is bigger. Now in these two I will find smaller. 70. So this is smaller, and after this will come. After this will come. Then from these two we compare the digit 777707. So this is smaller. So this I will write, and then last I will write 7.770. No. This is what I have just explained you. Don't put the cross. Cross means we have covered those. Yes, no problem. You can put the cross. Cross means we have covered that. So arranging the decimal in the right. In order to arrange the decimal in ascending order or descending order, first we convert them into like decimals, and then we start comparing the digit from A1 is 8:5/6, minus 3:3/8, wait, plus 2:7/12. Now this we have to solve. Simplify. 8:5/6 minus 3:3/8 plus 2:7/12. 5/6. 8:5/6. It is very much clear, right? No. It is they are improper fraction. First we have to convert them into proper fraction. No. This is mixed fraction. We have to convert them into improper fraction. So how we do? 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5, 53. 53/6. First multiply. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5, 53/6. Minus 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27/8. Plus 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 7, 31. 31/12. So this mixed fraction, we have converted them into improper fraction. Yes, now I have to find LCM of 6 8 12. for further simplification, we have to make the denominator of each fraction equal. We have to make the denominator of each fraction equal. So first I will take LCM of 6, 8, 12. So now how we find LCM of 6, 8, 12? So we write 6, 8, 12 common division method. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 yes, yes, 53 upon 6. Yes, 50. Yes. Now we find LCM of 6, 8, 12. 6, 8, 12 we find the LCM. So we use common division method. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Now again we will continue with 2. 2, 3 I will write as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again I will do with 2. 3 I will write as it is. 2 1s are 2. Then 3 I will write. Now I will continue with 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 1. So whenever you get 1 1 1 means you have to stop there. So LCM of 6 8 12. LCM of 6 8 12 is, you have to multiply this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So LCM is 24. So now I have to convert denominator of each fraction as 24. So this is 6. So I have to multiply by 4 in numerator and denominator both. So that is 53 into 4 upon 6 into 4. Minus, this is 8. I have to multiply by 3. 27 into 3 upon 8 into 3. Yes. Plus, this is 12. I have to multiply by 2. 31 into 2 upon 12 into 2. So now let us simplify. 53 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. 212 upon 24. Minus 27 3s are. See, this is 6. This is 6. LCM is 24. So 6 I have to multiply by which number so that it becomes 24? By 4. So multiply by 4 in numerator, multiply by 4 in denominator. This is 8. We want denominator 24. So I will multiply by 3 in denominator, multiply by 3 in numerator. This is 12. LCM is 24. So this I will multiply by 2 in denominator, multiply by 2 in numerator. Yes. So this is 81. 81 upon 24 plus 62 upon 24. Now denominator is, yes. Now denominator is same. So whenever denominator is same, we can simplify the numerator. Whenever denominator, yes, how? Now denominator is same, so we can simplify the numerator. Yes, mute the microphone. Denominator. By 12. Yes, 12. 212. No, this is 212. 212 upon 24, 81 upon 24, 62 upon 20. Up it is 3 times 2. Up it is 3 times 2. Wait. Up it is, now it is clear. Wait. Up it is 3 times 2. Yes, now it is clear. Yes. Last one. Okay. 53 into 4 is 212 upon 24. Minus 27 into 3 is 81 upon 24. plus 31 into 2 is 62 upon 24. Now denominator is same, 24, 24. So I will take the denominator common and simplify the numerator. So that will be 212 minus 81 plus 62 upon 24. So I will take the denominator common, 24. So now let us simplify. Let us simplify it. So 212 minus 81, so 2 minus 1, 1, then 11 minus 8, 3, then 131, 131 plus 62 upon 24. Now further I have to add, to 131 I have to add 24, it is plus 62, plus 62 I have to add, so 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 193. So answer is 193 upon 24. And this is the answer. If you want to convert them into mixed fraction, you can convert. Yes, because see, our question is given in the mixed fraction. So your answer should also be in the mixed fraction. Now to convert them into mixed fraction, this we can multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16 plus 3 19. Then it is 1, remainder is 1. To convert them into, because our question is in the mixed fraction, so your answer, final answer should also be in the mixed fraction. Now to convert, so to convert 193 upon 24 into mixed fraction, we have to divide 193 by 24. So 24 8s are 192, 193 minus 192 is 1. So this is 8 is to 1 upon 24. This is the final answer. 8 is to 1 upon 24 is the final answer. Wait, we'll see. Six, 8, 12. Below I have written 3, 4, 6. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Yes. 193 minus 192 is 1. 001 is same as 1. 001 is same as 1. 100 is not. Yes. Now let us do third one. Third one. Janil is there. Janil. If anybody, Janil is there in the group. Janil Mistri. Janil Mistri, you tell me what is third question. Third question you tell me. What is 35 upon 4 plus 13 upon 6. Then yes, minus 10 upon 3. Now let us solve this. It is 35 upon 4. हाँ हाँ, yes, do not converse anything. Please stop communication with each other. That is not permissible. हाँ हाँ, today I will check it. Now, हाँ हाँ, yes, yes, yes. हाँ हाँ, you do not worry that I will check it. हाँ, wait, that will see. Now already see. Earlier it was given in the mixed fraction. Now already it is given in the fraction. So directly we take LCM of 463. We take the LCM of 463. 463. We take the LCM. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Then 3. Again 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 3. Then 3 1 1 1. हाँ हाँ, yes, 212 212. हाँ, LCM is 12. 212 it is. LCM of 46. हाँ, 463. हाँ, LCM of 463 is 2 into 2 into 3. That is 12. 12 is the LCM. 12 is the LCM. हाँ, yes, 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 yes. Now start solving further. Now start solving further. Chalo, all of you start solving, and let me see after completing. हाँ start solving. LCM of 463 is 12. LCM of 463 is 12. Now we convert the denominator of each fraction as 12. Now we convert the denominator of each fraction as 12. Mute the microphone. Yes. Now we convert the denominator of each fraction as 12 because LCM of 463 is 12. So this 4 I will multiply by 3. So 35 into 3 upon 4 into 3 plus this 6 I have to multiply by 2. 13 into 2 upon 6 into 2 minus 3 I have to multiply by 4. 10 into 4 upon 3 into 4. We have to make denominator 12. So 35 into 3, 105 upon 12 plus 26 upon 12 minus 40 upon 12. Now denominator is 12, 12, 12. So I will take common denominator. I will take common denominator 12. Yes, now denominator is 12. So we simplify 105 plus 26 minus 40. Yes. 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 Now stop communication with each other. Stop communication with each other. Yes. Please mute the microphone. It is my humble request. Please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes. Mute the microphone. Yes. Now, mute the microphone. It is coming very much clear. Now, now 105 we have to 105 we have to add 26. So plus 26. It is 131. Then I have to subtract 131 minus 40. Now I have to subtract 40 to this. Minus 40. 1 minus 0, 1. 13 minus 4 is 9. 91. So it is 91 upon 12. Now this you have to convert. See, this is given in the fraction form. So my answer stop here. 105 plus 26 minus 40. Now yes, you can convert, but there is no need because our question is given in the fraction form. So our answer is in the fraction form. If the question is given in the mixed fraction, our answer should be in the mixed fraction. So you can stop here, 91 upon 12. you want, if you can convert this mixed fraction, if you want, no problem, you can convert this 91 divided by 12, 12 12 7 is 84, no, not like that. Whenever it is given mixed fraction, you have to, whenever it is given mixed fraction, you have to convert that into improper fraction. So this is 12 7 is 84. So this is 7 is to 7 upon 12. This is the answer. 7 is to 7 upon 12. No. See, 3 minutes are there. Now let me check your. Now this I will check it. Who will simplify this fast? 3 is to 5 upon. 3 is to 5 upon 7 minus 4 is to 8 upon 3. Wait, no, plus 6 is to 4, 6 is to 4 upon, wait, 6. Start solving this. Still we have times. Start solving this, simplify last part and show me. Fourth one is not homework. Right now you have to solve. Right. 48 upon 3. No, this is 4 is to 8 upon 3. 4 is to 8 upon 3. 4 is to 8 upon 3. No, you have to solve. Start solving, 3 minutes are there. Start solving, 2 minutes are there. Start solving, 2 minutes are there. Start solving, 2 minutes are there and show me the answer. Yes, who is commenting anything? Yes, start solving. Mixed fraction. 3 is to 5 upon 7 minus 4 is to 8 upon 3 plus 6 is to 4 upon 6. Start solving and tell me. Yes. Now you have solved. What is the answer? Yes. Who has solved? Yes. Just raise the hand. Who has solved? Just tell me the name. Who has solved? No. Let him speak. Let him speak. Whoever has solved, please tell me your name. Because in 2 minutes, if you are able to solve this problem, means you are having. Yes. Immediately after solving, immediately tell me your name and answer. Do it fast. Do it fast. 1 minute I am giving. Solve this problem in 1.5 minutes. Ask. See here, my dear. See, there is one beautiful quote. Action speaks louder than words. There is one beautiful quote. Action speaks louder than the words. So you show me your action rather than your words. Action speaks louder than the words. So show me your action. Rather than showing me your words, you show me your action. This is the beautiful quote. Action speaks louder than words. So you show me your action. 1 minute duration I am giving, 1 minute. And tell me the name and the answer. Let me see if there is any student. Always remember this beautiful quote. Action speaks louder than the words. Always you believe in your action rather than in your words. I have done this much. Rather than speaking, you show me your action. Yes. Anybody is there? Now I am winding up the period. Anybody has solved? After solving this, you send me on the WhatsApp.